Georgia! Go, Georgia, go! Oh. Come on, Tally!
Thank you. Yeah, you just came straight through. You went straight to the, yeah, that's pretty funny.
You think that's funny? That's very graceful. That's very graceful. A particular maneuver. Is there anything you'd like to say? Hold on, let me see if Tally's going to do anything else. So what'd you think?
It's so fun.
It is so fun?
Yeah.
Okay, Tycho's probably like a frostbite now. She's already inside.
Lost it. Hey. Wait, I want to say something.
Alright. Okay, go ahead, Joe.
Justin, come on. Justin, come on. Justin, you ready?
Hey, Tally. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look like you did.
You're still doing it. Myself now. I'm great enough.
Are you?
Yeah.
Tycho, are you freezing?
I'm great.
Are you? You're great enough. I know, we gotta go inside. We gotta go back to New York City. I thought Georgia was gonna show me something. Look at Georgia go. That's thank you.